Why do midterm congressional elections matter?
Congressional elections matter because they are often and have increasingly been a referendum on the president. So it is a kind of real test from real voters doing real voting about whether people approve of what the president's doing or disapprove of what he's doing. But then there's also an important question of who has control of Congress. If the president's party has control of Congress, the way it's been working in recent history is that means he's basically going to get a rubber stamp for what he wants to do. If the president's party is not in control of Congress, that means there are going to be more investigations into the executive branch. And that's, of course, what the legislature is supposed to do. But it means more investigations. It means that Congress might try and pass its own legislation and then work to some kind of accommodation with the president. Given the partisanship in America right now, though, when you have the executive in the control of one party and the legislature in the control of another party, it also very well could mean complete gridlock and a situation in which many of the nation's most important questions don't get answered.